This is Andy. As a tutor with 10 years experience teaching English, he felt that it was time for him to expand his horizons beyond his home turf of London and impart his teaching to the world. Of course, moving abroad is a big investment in terms of both time and money, and Andy simply didn't want to leave his home behind. He wanted to be able to bring the world to his doorstep, teach from the comfort of his own home or a familiar and cozy cafe at any time, and earn a reasonable rate for his time. Sure, Andy had done the online tutoring thing, but that was on and off. What Andy wanted was a one-stop solution, putting his clients all in one place and just a mouse click away. But how? After a little searching, Andy uncovered acadsoc.com, an open source platform that allows its users to teach and learn over the internet. Looking over the website, Andy found that acadsoc.com was just what he was looking for. Powering acadsoc.com's online platform is TurboMeeting, a fully interactive platform putting the teacher and student in total control of their lesson, every lesson. This makes Andy and his students really happy. That's just the tip of the iceberg though. With its integrated messaging, easy-to-use search function and secure and widely supported payment system, as well as direct login to Skype, acadsoc.com basically had all the work done for him. All his students and lesson schedules were right there in front of him, thanks to the highly customizable booking feature. With tutoring at acadsoc.com, Andy went from a few students at home to a potential few hundred, right there on his computer, anytime, any place. That's just acadsoc.com, a world-class academic society for teaching without boundaries. To see what acadsoc.com can do for you, please contact us via our website or pop into our local store.